If you're planning on buying a home in the future and taking out a home loan, it is incredibly important to make sure that you have a strong credit score. To be prepared, here are 2 tips to make sure you have the best score possible when that time comes to apply for a home loan. So tip number 1, make sure you're paying down your credit card balances. There's something called a credit utilization score. And what this means is that you always want to have below 30% of whatever total credit you have available. If you have a $10,000 credit card limit, you want to make sure every month you're closing out that account at or below 30% of that, which would be $3,000. This is one of the easiest ways to boost your credit score. If you have a really high balance on several of your cards, this is going to be also negatively affecting that score. And then tip number 2, set up automatic payments, not only to prevent ever missing payments, but also to ensure you're not getting any late fees. And it's just another fail-safe trick to ensure that you're not getting dinged on your credit score due to late payments or by not paying at all. So hopefully these 2 tips helped. I want to make sure you guys also know I have a 10-week credit repair plan. It's a weekly email that you receive with actionable tips on how to improve your credit score. If you'd like to get signed up for that, click the link below. And I actually also have a Credit Repair Playbook, which is about a 20-page book that goes in depth on how credit scores are created, what goes into affecting your credit score. Just click that link below and I'll send that over to you. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I'll see you guys soon.